How to fix Amazon Flex app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Amazon Flex and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app and check whether it is working or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Open this option iPhone Storage. Now in this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app Amazon Flex. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Amazon Flex and install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can fix Amazon Flex app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button here and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.